Hello and welcome to Online Appliance Tech. Today we're going to go shopping, or I'm going to take you shopping with me just to show you what I would buy if I had to go shopping for myself. I know sometimes appliance shopping can be intimidating. As you can see here, you have all these appliances, different brands, and just trying to choose which one and not really know where they're made. Sometimes it could be, I guess you could say, a headache. I'm going to show you how to pull up reviews and show you which ones I would pick, and that way you can make the correct decision for your home appliance. So this is a Whirlpool they call My Eye. It's a French door. It does have ice and water in the door. It is a single evaporator, which I recommend because less risk of freon leaks. It does have the ice and water in the door. They sometimes can have issues, but not that bad, being this is a Whirlpool. And it's an R34A single evaporator, and it has some nice drawers. What I'm doing here, I'm just checking to make sure it's not a dual evaporator, but this is a single R34A, and I'll put the model number right here. This way you can see exactly what you're looking at. Right here is the model number. As you can see here, it says 134A, and then if you want to see if it's a single evaporator or dual, you can go like on Sears Parts Direct and you can pull up a diagram or just ask someone at the store. So yes, this has a lot of space. I know they do no longer manufacture R34A, but they do sell them, so if you can get one, great. Okay, so here's another Whirlpool French door. This doesn't have the ice and water in the door, but it does have water on the side and ice maker at the bottom. This is the same brand as Maytag, which is the same family. Single evaporator R34A. This one is a good one also, unless you also have a less risk of having yikes. Let's skip this one. This is actually R600. My bad. So back to the first one we looked at. This is the ice and water they have in the door, and I really don't see that many issues with the ice and water, but it's just a less chance of having if you don't have it at all. So here's another Whirlpool. This is the side-by-side model, and this is also single evaporator R34A, and this does have the ice and water in the door. Here's the model number, and as you can see, R34A. So that's the way you can tell, and just like I said lately or earlier, you can just look on Sears Parts Direct and pull up the diagram by typing up the model and see if it has 2 or 1 evaporators. So yes, this is one I would definitely consider buying if I was looking for a side-by-side refrigerator. And as you can see here, it has a ice, pretty good size ice bucket to hold the ice and so forth. So yeah, this is definitely one I would look into. Later on we'll check out the reviews here soon in the video. Looks like the price range on this guy is $15.49. This is at Lowe's, so I would just do some price comparison. Okay, so this is the GE side-by-side, $12.99. So this is one I would probably consider just because this R34A single evaporator. It has the ice and water in the door. So yeah, I would definitely check the reviews out on this one. Here's the model number. As you can see there, R34A, and yeah, this is definitely one I would consider. Okay, here we have a Whirlpool for $10.99. It's a side-by-side R34A single evaporator. Here's the model number. This one I'll just basically look at the reviews and see if I have any type of problems or the same issues. That way it identifies that if we have a major problem or not. So just because it's an R34A single evap, here's the same type refrigerator. So yeah, we'll definitely check this out. Okay, let's pause this video for a minute. I'm going to try to explain to you why I only recommend the single evaporator, not the dual. So this is 2 evaporators, which is called dual. And what happens, you have the freezer, which is -5, which is good, it never sweats. But if you have the fresh food section dual evaporator, 37, when the heater turns on and just the temperature of the fresh food section, you will start to have a lot of moisture, which will turn into rust and micro leaks, and then you usually have to replace the compressor and evap. So I recommend single. Okay, now let's look at the ovens. If I was shopping for an oven, as you can see, these are the gas ovens, and they also have electric, but they're most than likely I would probably go with the GE just because I don't have that many issues or see that many issues with them. This is the 5.3 cubic foot gas range, $14.99, a little pricey, but it's a slide in. So yeah, I would definitely check out the reviews on this one and see if I have any same problems with the same complaints. And then this is another GE. This is a double door, fairly nice looking unit, and the reason I picked the GE over any other brand is just the way they're made, and I don't see as many issues consistency of these. So, but however, I definitely will check out the reviews. And this one is just a single door GE. This one's out of stock, $849, pretty good price. So yeah, we'll check this one out also and see what the reviews say and what the other people are saying about it once they buy it. Okay, great. So now let's go washer and dryer shopping. Let me see the one. Let me see, where is it? Well, it looks like they do not sell it. However, I would recommend the Speed Queen washer and dryer. The reason I recommend this is just because of great reviews and performance. Also, you got to think about it. They put these things in laundromats. And laundromats, you know, they're being used several times a day. So if you can put that same washer in your home just for your residential washes, that's basically why they put them in a laundromat. So if the laundromat can handle it, obviously it can handle your home's or your family's laundry. Like I said, I will put reviews up on this washer. They do not sell them here at Lowe's or Home Depot. I usually don't even see them there, or Best Buy. I do see them on Amazon, and I will leave a link in the description if you're interested. So here are the dishwashers. With the dishwashers, I really just recommend the KitchenAid and the Whirlpool product. The reason I recommend this is because they still kind of make them similar to what they did a couple of years back. They didn't change that much in just the quality. The KitchenAid is a little bit more pricey, but they're nice. And then you got your standard Whirlpool, which are real nice also. So these are the ones I would buy if I was shopping. But also, if you do see another brand, just pull up the reviews, as I'll show you here in a minute at the end of the video, and just see if you have any consistency of problems. The prices here are not that bad. Like this one's on sale for $5.49, so that's a pretty good price for a nice stainless dishwasher, and this one's $4.49. So the price is really not that bad. Average dishwasher repair cost is anywhere from $275, $400. So you, most of the time when they break, you're better off just replacing. So if I was going to buy a front load washer and dryer, let me see, out of this bunch, I would pick, if I had to pick from this bunch, yeah, I would probably have to go back to the Maytag, which I'm not. This is, like I said, if I had to pick from this bunch, I would probably stick with this Maytag here. I'll just pull up the reviews and see what everyone else is saying about this. So, but unfortunately, I would probably just, like the other brands, the washer and dryer for the top loads, I would just buy a Speed Queen. But I mean, they're nice. They're just not made as good. Unfortunately, they just don't make things as good as they used to. So it kind of puts us in a situation where we have to buy. But yeah, so I'll just check it out. And this is what the Speed Queen top loaders look like. So they're pretty nice units, and they're commercial grade also. So now it's time to check out the reviews for these products that are recommended. And I will also check to see if there's any type of consistency with these problems, if there's the same problem over and over. If so, we'll know that this is a legit problem and not just someone having a bad day. Let's get started. Okay, let's get started with the refrigerators. Right here we have the 25 cube GE side-by-side. It's 4.3 out of 5, 682 reviews. And so yeah, let's check out the 1-star reviews to see if we have any consistency of problems. If so, that means it's obviously a legit problem. So water filter problem, and a lot of water filter problems. There's another one there, one there. So yeah, we definitely have the same problem over and over. So this is what you would do when you check out a refrigerator to see if they have any of the same problems. So now let's check out this Whirlpool Counterdale 20 cube. So we have a 4.1 out of 5 stars. So let's check out the 1-star reviews and see if we have any of the same problems. Let's get started. Okay, here we go. Poor design, wire in, stainless. It looks like they're having a stainless issue. Wire issue at the bottom door. Stainless issue. Stainless issue. Okay, let's stop right there and check it out. So I see we have a door issue where the wire's being cut by the bottom of the door, and the stainless issue, I guess it's being stained. And so these are definitely common problems that we would definitely think about before buying this refrigerator. Okay, let's get to the next fridge. So now we're looking at this Whirlpool French door, over 7,000 reviews, 4.5 out of 5. That's pretty good rating right there. So let's check out the 1-star reviews. As you can see here, they're pretty high ranking. So here we go. So let's see, any type of consistency. That's just a drain line over 5 years, door not being closed. And that's just a delivery issue, so that's really not a flaw. So yeah, that's a pretty good fridge. No really big consistency of problems there. Now we'll check out this Whirlpool French door with the ice and water in the door. So let me see, pretty nice fridge, a lot of space. Let's find the reviews. 4.3 out of 5. Let's go to the 1-star. Always like to look to see how many 1-star compared to the 5-star and so forth. So this says delivery guy messed my floors up. Wow. I have to say, I think those floors has been messed up for a while, but oh well. And wow, yeah, I don't think that happened overnight. Let me see, any type of consistency. Wire, let me see, no. So after reading the reviews, I would definitely go with this Whirlpool. And the reason why, because it has ice and water in the door. So that's a little bit of an extra feature that I would like to have. Now let's check out the reviews on these GE ovens. So I can see the price is $9.49, not a bad price for a gas oven. 4.6 out of 5, pretty high 5-star reviews. So let's check out the 1-star. Let me see, we'll go down here. Okay, poor quality. Very happy. So these are okay. Cheap, poor quality. So I see they're having a lot of quality issues with the unit itself. Okay, so now let's check out this other GE oven. It's a double door with the air fryer in it, so that's pretty nice. Around $16.99. So let's see if we have any consistency of bad reviews. 4.6 out of 5. High with 5-star reviews, which is a good sign. So let's go. Here we go. So quality. Sorry, it's taking forever to load up. Here we go. Poor quality. That's 1 on that. This is obviously a delivery issue. They must have dropped it. Gas leak. So I don't really see the same issues with this one, which is a good sign. So maybe this is the one I would pick out of all of them. So now let's look at this one. This is a slide-in GE 30-inch. 4.6 out of 5. Not that many 1-stars. So let's see. So this is a delivery. Came in damaged. I guess. So really no type of the same issues. So Yeah, I guess I would have to say this air fryer would probably be my best one. However, I'm not saying GE is the only best or the only unit that you should buy when it comes to ovens, but definitely check out the reviews and go through each one and make sure you don't have no type of same issue popping up if you do decide to buy another unit. So the washer and dryer I would buy would be a Speed Queen. As you know how I feel at the beginning of the video, I told you why I recommend them. So I will leave a link in the description below if you're interested in buying one of these washers. And right here I'll show you some reviews of the top Speed Queen washers in the USA. So top best Speed Queen washer in the USA. Let's get started. So this stackable has a 9.9 rating. It has a large capacity tub, able to wash a lot of clothes, lots of settings, very efficient, use little water. That's pretty amazing with the size, best choice. Okay, let's check out this single front load, 9.7 in rating, and then it's electronic controls, 3.48 cubic tub, 10 cycles, stainless steel tub. So yeah, it's a pretty nice unit. And then yeah, I would definitely consider that one. And down here we have 9.5 in rated. This is a top load. This is actually a real good washer. As you can see here, they sell these on Amazon. If you're looking, you can obviously find them there. Okay, so as you can see, Speed Queen is probably, like I said, one of the top washers you can buy that are made with quality and commercial grade, and that's obviously why they put them in laundromats. So definitely would recommend the Speed Queen. Now let's review these dishwashers that we checked out at the beginning. So this is 4.5 out of 5, high 5-star. Okay, so a lot of reviews to go by. So let's check the inside of it out. Pretty nice stainless inside. Pictures. Okay. So let's load this up. There we go. So yeah, definitely any type of dishwasher you buy, just check out the reviews, and like I've been preaching, just see if you see any of the same issues, and if so, obviously I would buy that appliance and just buy one that just has problems. But as you can see, this says super quiet. Let me see, this is a 4.6 out of 5. This is a Whirlpool. Stainless inner tub, nice. Fingerprint resistance. So So yeah, I mean, I really don't see no consistency of bad reviews on this one, so this is actually not a bad one here. And let me see what else we have. Okay, these are the Maytag washers and dryer sets. So as I can see here on these reviews, the reviews are really not that good. As you can see, is very low 5 stars, and the rest are like 3 and so forth. So even though I choose those because that's all I had to choose from, I would definitely probably not recommend. As you can see, the reviews are not the best. So yeah, I would definitely do my homework on these before I bought them. Well, I hope this video was helpful, and please like and subscribe for more future tips and videos, and have a good day. Thank you.